We are so back. We are so insanely back. Welcome to Barangaroo. Currently I'm waiting for my friends to arrive. We're going to meet up at Circular Quay. So let's take you back to somewhere from a long time ago. Ice cream required. So joining us today, we have Richard, Patrick, Anthony, and Alex. And we're about to go meet Richard, who's going to Central, I think. His body. He's wearing that one. Boom! Oh, 17. Is it 17?
Oh, it is.
Yeah. Yeah? Circular, yeah, you're mic'd up. Circular Quay Station.
Also, I have
noise cancellation on. Hold on a second.
Something smells good. We'll be down then.
Richard's on a call and Seagull. Oh, Seagull.
Torimas. Pat. Where is Pat? I was told Pat is here. Is that Pat? $2.10.
Almost didn't make it through the gates.
Hey, Pat, the other. Keep it on you, not on the.
We are we got food! Let's go.
Nice.
Sun has set because it's June and it's set at 4:52 today. Pat's here. Oh yeah, Pat's the only guy. I'm sure it'll show us can introduce him pretty well, unless you didn't have time to edit.
Also, just to make
The Vivid Sydney event, actually second one, because there was one at Barangaroo.
Martin Place stuff, or do you want to go somewhere else? Where do you guys want to go? Martin Place, or do you want to go like Barangaroo?
Now that we've finished dinner, let the light show begin. So sick.
Do you lose your open card?
Yeah, somehow.
Keep it on you. Keep it on you, not on the. I can feel it from here.
Oh, this is so good.
Oh, it's like a pattern. How do they do? Oh, they have like sticks in the pattern.
Yep. Yeah, fire doesn't burn in like these patterns.
Yeah.
Unless you just like put a bunch in. It's possible.
The rocks are
Really
non-flammable. Okay, guys, let's go. Guys, let's go to the other side.
Why? There's no one on this side. Is it better on the other side?
Yeah, the fire's on this side.
Oh, oopsies. No wonder no one was on that side.
So warm. Okay, I give up.
Alex has got the phone.
Oh, look at this. This is like this.
Welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be talking about how to lose your phone in 3 steps. Yeah.
Well, alright.
General direction.
Let's go.
You're not gonna make it there. We're taking you there.
Alex is my new cameraman.
Oh, I'm mic'd up. This thing is so cool. Wait, Oscar. Oh, let's go. It's connected. I'm mic'd up. Heck yeah.
This is gonna be like a minute of the next video. We are so back, like so unbelievably back. Now I know you guys are gonna get mad, but I have to say this fast. Hear me out. There's nothing to hear me out about. So that concludes the Vivid Sydney 2025. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.